Kargil War was an armed conflict fought between India and Pakistan in 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir. Operation Vijay was the name of the Indian military operation. The cause of war was infiltration of Pakistani troops disguised as Kashmiri militants into positions on the Indian side. The Indian Air Force's role in acting jointly with the Indian Army ground troops during the war was aimed out at flushing the regular and irregular troops of the Pakistani army from vacated Indian positions along the line of control. Facing international diplomatic opposition, Pakistani forces withdrew from the remaining Indian positions. The day has since been marked as Kargil Vijay Divas, which means Kargil Victory Day in India. In the wake of his successive military defeats in Kargil, diplomatic isolation in the international arena, its precarious economic situation, and mounting international pressure, the Pakistani establishment was compelled to negotiate a face-saving withdrawal from the residual areas on the Indian side and thereby restore the sanctity.
मिट्टी की संतानों, कारगिल के वीर जवानों, मेरी आन के लिए, मेरी शान के लिए।
कश्मीर के लद्दाख सेक्टर के कारगिल क्षेत्र में पाकिस्तान ने अचानक ही 10 मई 1999 को भीषण बमबारी शुरू कर दी और 8 भारतीय सैनिक मारे गए। विवश होकर हमें भी 26 मई 1999 को कारगिल में खुला युद्ध शुरू करना पड़ा। पूरे भारत में रेड अलर्ट था और कारगिल में युद्ध शुरू हो। अपने प्राणों की चिंता ना कर कारगिल में घुसपैठियों और पाक सैनिकों के विरुद्ध भारतीय थल तथा वायुसेना ने ऑपरेशन विजय शुरू कर दिया और वह आंधी की तरह आगे बढ़ने लगे। लगभग 2 महीने के महायुद्ध के बाद भारत ने आज ही के दिन पाकिस्तान से अपना एक जमीन का हिस्सा वापस ले लिया और वो विजयी घोषित हुए।
तूने हंस के दे दी अपनी जान, तुझे भूलेगा ना तेरा हिंदुस्तान।
Captain Anuj Nair was a valiant soul who fought the Kargil War of 1999. Nair was second in command during the war and decided to secure the peak without waiting for any aerial support. During the battle, Nair killed 9 Pakistani soldiers and destroyed 3 machine gun bunkers. Captain Nair later was awarded by Mahavir Chakra for his bravery.
The Kargil War survivor, Mr. Deepchand Prakhyat, played an important role in the victory of Kargil War. Stationed at the border, he commanded the operation and over 15,000 bullets were fired. "We only asked for bullets, not bread," said the hero. Deepchand has worked for the country dauntlessly, but in doing so, he lost his limbs. Yet, this proud man who stands on his prosthetic feet says he doesn't regret to dream to become an army jawan. What an inspiration!
The Kargil War never fails to remind us about Vikram Batra. He was lieutenant of 13 Jack Rifles. He was also called Sher Shah by friends and enemies. In 1999, he led operation of capturing Point 5140, which had unknown number of well-trained soldiers at top of mountain. He went crawling upwards and killed many enemies, but was badly injured. And then winning signal was Dil Mange More, shows immense love for country. For his bravery and courage, he was awarded Paramveer Chakra.
भूलेगा ना तेरा हिंदुस्तान, तुझे भूल